The future of transportation is no longer a distant dream, it is already taking shape in Japan through one of the most advanced train systems ever created, the Chuo Shinkansen. Imagine traveling between major cities at speeds that were once only possible in airplanes, but doing it on the ground, smoothly, quietly, and with incredible precision. This is not just a train, it is a revolutionary leap in how humans move, connect, and experience distance. Unlike traditional rail systems, the Chuo Shinkansen does not rely on wheels rolling over tracks. Instead, it uses cutting-edge magnetic levitation technology, often referred to as maglev. This means the train literally floats above the guideway, eliminating physical contact and drastically reducing friction. As a result, it can reach breathtaking speeds of over 500 kilometers per hour, making it one of the fastest ground transportation systems in the world. In fact, during testing, the SCMAGLEV system achieved a record-breaking speed of 603 km per hour, showcasing its extraordinary potential. The journey that this train promises is just as impressive as its technology. The planned route will connect Tokyo and Nagoya in its initial phase, significantly reducing travel time between these two major economic hubs. What currently takes around 90 minutes by bullet train could be reduced to roughly 40 minutes. Eventually, the line is expected to extend further to Osaka, creating a high-speed corridor that could transform Japan's transportation landscape and boost economic activity across regions. One of the most fascinating aspects of the Chuo Shinkansen is how it operates. At lower speeds, the train runs on rubber wheels, but as it accelerates, powerful superconducting magnets lift the train off the track. Once airborne, it glides effortlessly, guided by magnetic forces that keep it stable and centered. This system not only allows for incredible speed but also ensures a remarkably smooth ride, free from the vibrations and noise typically associated with high-speed rail. Inside the train, passengers will experience a level of comfort that matches its futuristic exterior. The cabins are designed with spacious seating, modern interiors, and advanced amenities to make the journey as relaxing as possible. Large windows provide a sense of openness, while the quiet operation enhances the overall travel experience. It is not just about getting from one place to another faster, it is about redefining what travel feels like. The construction of the Chuo Shinkansen is a massive engineering challenge. A significant portion of the route will run through tunnels, including deep underground sections beneath the Japanese Alps. This is necessary to maintain a straight path for high-speed travel, as even slight curves can impact performance at such extreme speeds. Engineers have had to overcome complex geological conditions, ensuring safety and stability while pushing the boundaries of modern infrastructure. Safety is a top priority in this project. Japan is already known for its exceptional rail safety record, and the maglev system is designed to uphold and even exceed these standards. The absence of physical contact between the train and the track reduces wear and tear, lowering the risk of mechanical failure. Additionally, the system is built to withstand earthquakes, with advanced monitoring and automatic shutdown mechanisms in place to protect passengers in case of emergencies. Environmental impact is another important factor. While the construction phase requires significant resources, the operational efficiency of the maglev system offers long-term benefits. It produces fewer emissions compared to air travel for similar distances, making it a more sustainable option for high-speed transportation. By encouraging a shift from airplanes to trains, the Chuo Shinkansen could play a role in reducing carbon footprints and promoting greener travel. However, the project has not been without challenges. Delays have occurred due to environmental concerns, particularly in regions where the construction could affect water resources and ecosystems. Negotiations with local authorities and communities have been ongoing, highlighting the complexity of balancing technological progress with environmental responsibility. Despite these hurdles, the vision of the Chuo Shinkansen continues to move forward, driven by its potential to reshape the future of transportation. Economically, the impact of this train could be enormous. By drastically cutting travel times, it will make it easier for businesses to operate across cities, encourage tourism, and create new opportunities for growth. Regions that were once considered distant will become more accessible, fostering greater connectivity and integration. This could lead to a more dynamic and interconnected economy, benefiting both urban and rural areas. Globally, the Chuo Shinkansen represents a new benchmark in rail technology. Countries around the world are closely watching its development, as it could influence future transportation projects on a global scale. If successful, it may inspire other nations to invest in maglev systems, potentially leading to a new era of ultra-high-speed travel. What makes this project truly remarkable is not just its speed or technology, but the vision behind it. It reflects a commitment to innovation, a willingness to push boundaries, and a desire to create something that goes beyond conventional limits. The Chuo Shinkansen is not just about moving people faster, it is about redefining the relationship between time, distance, and possibility. As the world continues to evolve, the demand for faster, more efficient transportation will only grow. The Chuo Shinkansen stands at the forefront of this evolution, offering a glimpse into what the future might look like. It challenges our expectations and invites us to imagine a world where long distances no longer feel so far, where travel is not just a necessity but an experience in itself. In the end, the Chuo Shinkansen is more than just a train. It is a symbol of progress, a testament to human ingenuity, and a bold step toward the future. Whether you are a technology enthusiast, a traveler, or simply someone curious about what lies ahead, this incredible system is a reminder that the limits of today are often just the starting point for tomorrow.